Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are fine. Today, let's do the worksheet of our fifth unit, Celebrating Earth Day. All of you, please take your worksheet. Take page number 17. Worksheet 1. Read and answer. This worksheet is intended to improve your comprehension skill. A passage is given here. We have to read this passage carefully and answer the questions based on this passage. You can expect a similar question for your exam. Read the passage. Let's read this passage together. The environment is everything around us, including air, water, land, plants, and other human-made things. We need a clean and healthy environment for our health and happiness. To keep our environment clean, we need to carefully control the waste that we create. Waste is anything that we don't need and throw out. The 3 R's is a very famous term used to describe the 3 ways in which one can help produce less waste. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. These are the 3 ways in which we can produce less waste. We can reduce the amount of waste that we throw away. Reduce means reducing the amount of waste that we produce. Ways of reducing waste are by using cloth napkins instead of paper ones, or by avoiding using paper plates. The second R is reuse. Reusing things also reduces waste. For example, getting things repaired and using them instead of throwing them away, or by donating things which we don't need. The third R is recycle. We must recycle things as much as possible. We can recycle paper, plastic, glass, soda cans, milk cartons, etc. Following the 3 R's help us protect our environment. So what is this passage about? This passage is about environment and the ways to reduce the production of waste. The ways to save our environment, the ways to protect our environment. The passage is about the 3 ways in which we can reduce the amount of waste being produced. Which are the 3 ways mentioned in the passage? The 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Now let's try to answer these questions. Take the correct answers. Waste is anything we dash. Waste is anything that we don't need and throw out. So which is the answer? First one, throw away. Reduce means, actually these questions are very easy. We can find out the answers right from this passage. We can easily find out the answers from this passage. Reduce means reducing the amount of waste that we produce. So B is the right answer. Reducing the amount of waste we produce. We can reuse things by getting them repaired, buying new things, eating less. We can reuse things by getting things repaired. First one is the right answer. Answer these questions. What is environment? The answer for this question is given in the first sentence. The first sentence is the answer. The environment is everything around us, including air, water, land, plants and other human-made things. Then, write 2 ways in which we can reduce waste. 2 ways of reducing waste are by using cloth napkins instead of paper ones and by avoiding using paper plates. The sentence is given here. Ways of reducing waste are by using cloth napkins. We have made a slight change in our answer. 2 ways of reducing waste. See? Sometimes we have to make slight changes in the sentences. Okay? Then next. Name 3 things we can recycle and use. We can recycle paper, plastic and glass. We can recycle paper, plastic, glass, soda cans, milk cartons, etc. Here we are asked to write 3 things, mention 3 things. Okay. So, whenever you get questions like this, whenever you are given a passage and you are asked to answer the questions based on a passage, then you have to make slight changes in the sentences. Sometimes you will have to make slight changes in the sentences according to the question. Okay, to suit the question. So read the question carefully and write your own answers correctly. Okay? Worksheet 2. Word-wise. Find 4 AI and 4 AY words in the word search. Write them on the blanks. Here we can see a box. In this box we have to find 8 words. 4 words with the letters AI in them and 4 words with AY in them. Okay, we have to find 8 words in total in this word search. You have to circle those words. I will give you some examples. First one, tail, T-A-I-L. You can see the letters A-I in the word tail. Then, mail, M-A-I-L. Again, you can see the letters A-I in this word. Then, clay, C-L-A-Y, clay, Kalimanna. The letters A-Y are there in the word clay. Similarly, you have to find 5 more words. Okay? I have shown you 3 words. Now you have to find out 5 more words in this word search. We are asked to find out 8 words in total. Please circle the words in this box and then you have to write them down here. Okay. You should write the words with the letters AI in these blanks and you should write down the words with the letters AY in these blanks. I hope it's clear. Please try to do it on your own. We shall discuss the answers in the evening. Next, make new words by joining these words. Okay. We have to make some new words by joining the words given here. First one, gold plus fish. Goldfish. Goldfish. By combining these 2 words, we can form a new word, goldfish. Pan plus cake, pancake. Then, shop plus keeper, shopkeeper. It's very simple, isn't it? Shopkeeper. Book plus shelf, bookshelf. Okay, I have written the answers of 4 questions. Now you have to do the rest 4 on your own. Please write the answers here. Worksheet 3, Grammar. Write the names of the pictures with A or N. Here we can see 6 pictures. we have to write down the names of these things. We should use the articles a or an before these words. The last class we have already learned the usage of the articles a and an. Both a and an are used before singular nouns. An is used before words which begin with a vowel sound. An is used in front of words which begin with vowel sounds. Okay. Then, what do you see in the first picture? It's a fan. In Malayalam we say vishari. A fan. The word fan does not begin with a vowel sound. It does not begin with a vowel sound. So, we can use a fan. A in front of fan. The next one. What do you see in the next picture? Ox. Kala. An ox. An ox. The word ox begins with a vowel sound. So we can use the article an before ox. An ox. Then, third one. What do you see in the third picture? We can see the engine of a train. An engine. An engine. Okay. The word engine begins with a vowel sound. So we use the article an. Can you do the rest three on your own? Please write down the answers in the blanks provided. Next one. Use a or an to fill in the blanks. My family and I went to the zoo this Sunday. The first animal we saw was dash elephant. Which article will we use here? A or an? Look at the next word, elephant. The word elephant begins with a vowel sound. So, we should use the article an elephant. The first animal we saw was an elephant. After that, we watched dash chimpanzee eat. A chimpanzee. The word chimpanzee does not begin with a vowel sound. So, we can use the letter A. A chimpanzee eat dash dozen bananas. A dozen. Okay. Can you fill the rest three blanks on your own? Please write your answers here. Next one. Take the correct articles. Manu ate dash idli and dash omelette for breakfast. Manu ate dash idli. The word idli begins with a vowel sound. So, an idli. Manu ate an idli and dash omelette. The word omelette again begins with a vowel sound. An omelette. Manu ate an idli and an omelette for breakfast. Please tick the right answers. Second one, Surya bought dash scarf. A scarf. A scarf dash umbrella. The word umbrella begins with a vowel sound. So, an umbrella and dash pair of binoculars. A pair of binoculars. Okay, is that clear? Now please tick the right answers. Do the rest on yourself. Okay.
Worksheet 4. Listening, Speaking, Writing. This worksheet is intended to improve your listening, speaking and writing skills. First one, listening. Listen to your teacher and tick the correct answers. Children, I will read out a paragraph. You should listen to me carefully. Then only you can answer these questions correctly. Okay? So please listen to me carefully and then tick the correct answers. Okay, let's start. A magic show was organized in our school on Children's Day. The students were seated in the auditorium. The lights were dimmed, and a spotlight which would follow the magician was switched on. When the magician came on stage, everyone clapped. He was very tall and wore a blue suit and a long red cape. He had a tall hat and a big satin handkerchief in his hand. He covered his hat with a kerchief and said, "Abracadabra," and a pair of pigeons flew out from the hat. He said "Abracadabra" again and pulled out a bouquet of red roses from his hat. He showed us many card tricks. At the end, when it was time for him to leave, he took out his wand, swished it twice, and vanished into thin air. Children, so this is a passage. I hope you have listened to me carefully. Now please take the correct answers. First one, a magic show was organized in our school on dash, Children's Day or Mother's Day. The students were dash in the auditorium, seated or standing. You can put a tick mark against the correct answer. Okay, I will give you an example. The first sentence, Children's Day, is the correct answer. So you can put a tick mark in this way. Clear? Okay, then please do the rest. Let's move on to next question. Speaking. Look at the picture. Discuss with your partner the things you find odd in it. Here you can see a very strange picture. There are different things that you will find as odd or strange. There are many strange things shown in this picture. You are supposed to say those odd things in the picture. You have to find out the strange things in this picture. വിചിത്രമായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഈ ചിത്രത്തിലെ വിചിത്രമായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ. Unusual things, strange things or odd things. I will give you some examples. The beetle on the tree has a back which looks like a clock. Here you can see a beetle. Beetle. The beetle on the tree has a back which looks like a clock. Then the clock is incorrect. You can see 13, the number 13 marked here. The clock is incorrect. The numbers are not correct. Then a glass of water is kept on the pipe where the cat is watering the plants. See? Then the book the rabbit is reading is upside down. The book is upside down. Then the rabbit is wearing the cap upside down. See, these are some of the things, some of the odd things which I found out. There are many more. Please observe this picture carefully. Look at this picture carefully and note down the things that you find odd in it. Okay? You can write it down in your notebook, or it's not compulsory to write it. You can just say it during our class because it's a speaking exercise. Okay? You can just say the answer. You can just say the odd things in this picture. Next, writing. Write about 5 things we can do to save the earth. Choose ideas from the box. You are asked to write about 5 things. You have to write 5 things that we can do to save our Mother Earth. Some ideas are given in the box. Using these clues, using these ideas, you should form sentences. For example, the first one is save electricity. How can we frame a sentence? We should save electricity by switching off lights and fans when we don't need them. Then, recycle waste. Paper, plastic, glass, etc. We should recycle paper and things made of plastic and glass. Then, stop cutting trees, plant more trees. We should plant more trees and not waste paper. Okay, can you frame sentences in this way? Please write about 5 things we can do to save the earth by making use of these clues, by making use of these ideas given in the box. Can you do it? Please write this in your notebook. Okay, write the answer in your notebook. I will ask you to read your answer during our Google Meet session. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.